In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you five websites where rich people literally give away money for free. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video till the end. Please, if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you guys. What part of the world are you watching from? I want to meet you. What do you do and where are you tuning in from? And in case you're seeing me for the first time, let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm a wife. I'm based here in California and I'm your business mogul. I'm here to literally share with you guys various ways to make money online. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Oh yes, I need to issue a disclaimer. I am not encouraging you to start asking people for money. Some people genuinely need help. Some people are battling health issues, health conditions, and of course they need funds to back it up, and their current earnings may not be able to cater for their medical expenses. So that is one way for people who genuinely need money, and these are websites that can actually save you from financial distress. So if this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video till the end. So guys, one way to make money online is to ask generous, wealthy people to give you free money. And then of course there are actually websites that allow those in need to actually ask those who are well off for a handout to cover a wide range of financial needs, like medical debt, student loans, help with living expenses maybe due to illness or injury, buying a car, paying rent or a mortgage, or taking a dream vacation, I'm telling you, as well as retirement savings, paying for groceries, help for adoption expenses, funding a business idea. So no matter what your financial needs may be, there's a chance that you can find a wealthy, generous donor to help you out on one of these from one of the following websites that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Yeah, so all you need to do is write a short post requesting for what you need, how much you need, and what you need the money for. So when you ask politely, wealthy donors politely for money, and they see your post, they may deem it worthy to give you money, and of course they will pay for it. The first platform I'm going to be sharing with you is Go Get Funding. Yes, head over to gogetfunding.com. This platform actually allows you to raise funds for a wide variety of courses, including personal ones. And once you create your page, once you create your profile and you list your costs, you can actually collect donations via PayPal and credit cards. Yes, another website is beggingmoney.com. It's very straightforward. You can beg strangers for money. So if you can write a convincing description for your course detailing what you need the money for, there's a very good chance that a wealthy person or a wealthy donor will help you. Just select the category that your need falls under and write up to a 400-word description on why you need the money. Another website is Fundable. Now, this is a platform good for entrepreneurs. So it is not just about begging, and they also help entrepreneurs to raise funds without taking part of your equity. Yes, that is one strong point. Another website is Fund My Travel. Yes. Fund My Travel is a place where people seeking to travel can ask for their travel expenses. That they can ask for their travel expenses, and that is where Fund My Travel comes in. It's a platform that helps you to raise money for both domestic or international travel expenses. And in addition to raising money for a leisure trip, you can also get help to cover your working, studying, or volunteering abroad, as well as family emergencies. As well as family emergencies. I have told you. So guys, I have told you that this channel is all about adding value to you guys. And just in case you are yet to check out other videos, my previous videos where I shared various websites where you can get lots and lots of gigs and augment your living expenses. If you're constantly living from paycheck to paycheck, or you're always broke, or you're a stay-at-home mom or a stay-at-home dad, or you just want to augment your 9 to 5, or the money your earnings can literally not be enough, can really be enough for you to feed, to take care of yourself every month, as well as feeding and so many other expenses. These are ways by which you can actually raise funds for yourself, whether you want to travel, or you're a student, or you just need money to settle your debt. And the good thing is there's also a website that helps business owners to raise funds for their businesses. Yes, these are ways by which you can actually get free money. But there's one other platform that I am aware of. I became aware of this platform, I think about 7 years ago. No, about 6 years ago. Yes, this website actually allows you to take a loan without collateral. Yes, and it is meant for everyone and anyone, especially if you have a business. It is called Kiva. So head over to kiva.com and obtain free loan. It's actually a loan. Like I said, the previous ones I showed earlier are for free money, but this is actually a loan opportunity. If you need a lot of money and you want to be in control of it, for free money, you probably have no control over how much they would give to you. Yes, it's a gift, you don't have to pay it back. But in the case of Kiva loan, you may need up to $500,000. You can need $50,000, $100,000. You actually have a plan, you have a goal, and you can estimate how much you will get, when you seek a loan as opposed to free money. And I hope that this video has been a blessing to you. If you need me to, if you also have ways by which we can also get free money, share with us in the comments as well. Yes, whether as business owners or you just need money randomly, maybe to fund your medical expenses, or you need some money for some form of emergency, so go ahead and share with us as well in the comments. I am here to also learn from you guys as well. And of course, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, tell a friend about these amazing opportunities, share this video with your friends, and of course I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now.